Upgrade your excavator with the Rhinox 9-ton bucket and attachment range. Continue watching to find out about the product features and the benefits to you. As all Rhinox products do, the range of buckets and attachments for the 9-ton excavators come with a lifetime guarantee on all welds and also a machine fitment guarantee, so you will know that your buckets will last and they will fit seamlessly with your excavator. So the digging buckets in this 9-ton range, you get the 12-inch, 18-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, 36-inch and a 42-inch. There are multiple cutting edge options available. Firstly, we have the pin-on style cat adapters, which are specifically known as Cat 205 or J250. We then have the bolt-on reversible edge options available. And then lastly, we have the weld-on blade option with the gaps inbuilt. So the wear protection on these buckets. On the back of the bucket, you have the full wraparound wear straps. Moving on to the side of the bucket, we have the wear plate and an additional wear plate which doubles up as the Rhinox logo. We then have the reinforced leading edges, which include the weld-in hardened cast steel side cutters. All these extra features help your bucket to last the test of time and resist the amount of wear that you put on the bucket. And of course, with all digging buckets from Rhinox, these 9-ton buckets feature the transportation hooks for easy transportation around site and reducing manual handling. We then have the grading buckets available in the 9-ton range. We have the 60-inch and the 72-inch. These also feature the reinforced leading edges and the wear plates on the side of the buckets to really maximise the life that you get out and resist wear. These come as standard with a drilled lip plate to take a bolt-on reversible edge. The term reversible means that you can flip this blade once one side is worn, so you have a new edge to start grading on. There are optional wear straps for the back of the bucket if you require it. We then have two multi-pin pickup attachments which can fit a range of 5 to 10 ton excavators. These come with 45, 50 and 60mm pins, so you can swap between excavators on site. The first of these two attachments is the Pallet Forks. These come with a 1,250 kg working load limit. Pallet Forks are a great attachment to increase efficiency on site, so there's no need to hire in an extra operator or telehandler to move loads around the site. These Pallet Forks are known for their heavy duty construction and reliability. This is because they feature the crash plate on the bottom of the attachment, which prevents twisting or distortion when carrying loads. We then have the centre support for the fork mounting bar. This prevents any bending when transporting any loads. This bar allows the floating forks to pivot at one axis, so navigating these under loads is much easier as these forks stay level with the ground. These Pallet Forks also feature the built-in stand at the back, which prevents the attachment rocking when mounting to the machine. If you want to know any more in-depth information about these Pallet Forks, please do check out the video here. The second attachment is the concrete pouring bucket, which has a capacity of 0.35 cubic meters or 350 litres. This concrete pouring bucket has the rounded chute and gate to increase your accuracy of pouring, and for convenience moving the attachment round site, it includes the bucket hooks. In a nutshell, concrete pouring buckets are brilliant for hard to reach areas on site where you need to pour concrete, such as boggy areas or tight spaces. We now have the 4 land clearance and ground preparation attachments. The first of these is the riddle bucket, which is 42 inches. We then have the land rake, which is 60 inches in width. Following that, we have the rake riddle bucket, which is also 60 inches. These 3 attachments are brilliant for raking through the ground, removing unwanted material, and even separating out the larger material from the fines. Finally, we have the ripper tooth, which is brilliant for removing stubborn objects that are stuck in the ground, such as tree roots, tree stumps, and also large rocks. They feature the replaceable Cat 215 or J300 tooth, which can be replaced when worn and purchased from Rhinox on our website for next day delivery. If you want to know any more in-depth information on any of the attachments in this video, be sure to check out the video here or the videos on our channel, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on another video. They come as standard drilled bolt on, no, side cut.